Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm James, and today I'm doing the maiden flight of this Durafly de Havilland Vampire, which is available from Hobbyking.com. If you're interested in this plane, run over to Hobbyking and check it out. I did a previous video where I did an open box review and a full setup of the plane. So today again, we're doing the maiden flight. Let's see how she flies. So I have my timer set for 4 minutes. That should give us a long enough flight. All right, so let's go ahead and just do some taxiing and see how it performs on the ground. Runs pretty well. The runway is a little bumpy because it's got a lot of cracks and little pits in it and stuff, so a smaller plane like this is going to bounce around with that front landing gear as you just saw there. Okay, let's go ahead and get this up in the air. Ready, camera woman?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Line up and go. Bring her in for a flyby. I'll try to roll it. Oh, nice. Loop. Do another one. Loop. Flies great. A little slow here. It does tend to float when I go to my low, kind of like an idle almost. It tends to start to float up a little bit, which is something to keep aware of when you're trying to land. It's going to float on you. At least this one is. It's really low here. Kind of come in. Yeah, see how it's floating? Wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the voltage here. Okay, so we have about a 15% left in the battery. Yeah, I got a pretty good flight, about 4 minutes out of this. Okay. All right, so that was the main flight. I guess I would call it successful because I got it back. It flew, really fast, and it actually handled pretty well slow, but landing gear worked great. It had sort of a bumpy landing, but it did okay. But overall, it was a nice maiden flight.